Okay, we got a CM-2 tool and cutter grinder, Monaset. Both heads are running right now. Loaded up with the collets. Those collets new, I checked them out, they're roughly $156 new per. So if you add all this up on there, if that tooling on there, there's just this tooling right there, there's 12 grand sitting right there new. I realize they're not new, but they're not all used up either. There's the tooling box. Looks like you can run this thing, there's 3 different pulleys, 4,000, 6,000, and 8,000. It's a model year 2005. Okay. CM-2 top work. Made in Taiwan. It's got ball screws on the X and Y's here. And it's got the Acme thread on for the vertical.